One, two, one, two. All right, all right, all right. How is everybody? What's up? What's up, everybody? It's almost 1 a.m. here. Looking for shorts in gold. Pretty nice liquidation here. Let's see about this. All right, brother. Here. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it. So here, yesterday, just to give me some, again, self-inflicted pain, and one more time, gonna look at that beautiful trade, long gold, that I chose not to trade. I don't know why I do this to myself. All right, we have buy side liquidity sweep pre-market. I need that changing character, of course. I'm not gonna aggressively enter. Possible Euro USD longs actually makes two. God damn it. So it's the market is open. Euro USD. This is the Euro USD Euro futures, and here I'm going to do that 50-minute chart in. This is um, gold, but I reckon I am going to use micro contracts instead. All right. Oh, what the fugs? There's no liquidation in micros? Oh, yes, it is. Now, here it is. Perhaps not. I'm going to use full contracts. I don't need to use micros unless we have a wide stop loss, right? Because my overall R in futures is about 500 bucks per trade. All right. Buy side liquidity swept. And I'm gonna look at the FTSE actually, just for the fun of it. Nice. I need that market structure shift, mates. I am not going to aggressively enter this. Now, on the 50-minute chart on the euro side, we do not have so many things. Uh, you know, so many things. So many. We don't have a ton of news. That's what I wanted to say. So on the Euro USD side, I would love longs, but this is just uh, this is too soon for me. Uh, my point of interest long here on the Euro USD is all the way here. Here it is. This is where I should go long on the Euro USD. Now, let's have a look at the F1 strategy and the DXY. So, F1 strategy wise, we have news today for employment claims. In my opinion, it's going to be due to job openings being green and news and positive for USD. Yeah, I know. I agree with you, mate. But the thing is that it's all the way to 1 hour before the New York session. So I feel that we can trade it. I hate it. Oof, USD CAD. I mean, USD CAD. We're gonna come back to possible shorts on the USD CAD. That means that we could before, in fact, be looking for longs on the CAD futures. I don't trade CAD futures. I don't trade the Canadian dollar. This should in fact be more of a U.S. dollar driven trade. Yeah, that's yesterday's long on the S&P 500. Again, divergent zero. I did not get filled. Just giving myself some self-inflicted pain. I wanna delete this and go back to gold. Let's get back to gold. All right, 1 minute chart in gold right here. Looking for a market structure shift, mate. Or well, we do have an imbalance here, a close below this imbalance, and um, I could in fact look for shorts here. Hi, brother. Would you please go? This is what I'm doing, man. So, Euro USD, we might have missed it now that, I mean, hold on. We do have some buy side liquidity here, right? Um, I don't know. Let's see what happens when and if it gets swept. I don't know. All right, so I am going to put on gold futures here on my Trade account. GC, I reckon it's Q. July, yeah, it's Q. All right, good. 1 minute chart. And we will see. I mean, gold is pretty hot for shorts right now. Absolutely no setup though. You know what? I'm gonna do this for charts because I was looking at silver, and also I was looking at crude. I have not traded crude oil in a while, but I've been following the shit out of that market. There's nothing right now. But again, look at the 50-minute chart here. Hold on, heads up to gold. On the 50-minute chart here, in a crude oil, we might have a market structure shift. Uh, and some liquidity here. Again, I don't trade crude oil, so let's look at platinum and copper. That's good. The Japanese yen is just, I mean, just fucking crashing, right? There's nothing to do here but wait. I mean, it is kind of heavy in the sense that I wouldn't want to be short the Japanese yen right now. I mean, yeah, it keeps making 4 decade lows, right? But just have a look at this manipulative move, these liquidations right here on the Japanese yen. Blam, 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 blam. It's super sketchy to be short the Japanese yen at the moment. So, uh, and if you notice, I haven't traded the Japanese yen in a fucking while. British pound futures. Very much the same. So, two markets that I'm looking at, Euro USD and gold. Now let's have a look at that USD CAD. So, this DF1 strategy, pretty nice divergence here. Pretty nice divergence. But the thing is that if you notice, our momentum indicator showing lack of bearish momentum, and more so because we are still within this range. So, yeah. I am not going to take this short, but it would have been. I mean, if I were to, if I had, I mean, if I were to take this short, it would have been a pre-market right here for a. It would be running nothing for about a 6R, but you know what? I'm gonna flag it actually. Breakout. That's the F1. This USD CAD. All right. USD, Aussie. No setup. See, the Japanese yen is just super sketchy. Gold. All right. Gold is showing weakness now. All right. I'm gonna keep two charts actually. Gold and all right, we are about to swipe those highs on the euro. Here is that euro USD. Now we got a liquidation of this particular lows, right? All of this area right here. um if we get that liquidation, I'm gonna go I am going to test a just look at how weak the US dollar is. I mean, this is very cool because I'm fine EB. So this is very cool because I might again look for shorts on the US dollar. This is the DXY, US dollar currency index. liquidating the high. Well, it didn't actually liquidate those highs, but again, pretty, very bearish. I could see, in fact, um, a pullback towards this level. We do have a breaker here. We do have a big imbalance. But again, what I don't like is the lack of liquidation of, or the lack of price failure, right? Price failure is just liquidation of the highs. I just hate that. So we do have some, you know, buy side liquidity here. Hold on. And 1 minute here on the euro, and 1 minute here on the euro. So since we didn't liquidate those highs, mates, but we did just liquidate this lows, I am opting to get, in fact, long the US dollar, possibly, right, on a price failure candle on the 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart here on the DXY. We need that price failure, right? This is exact. I mean, in order to see liquidations, right, you have to look at the structure in this market, true highs, true lows. And this is absolutely gorgeous. We are looking for those shorts on the euro now. I am looking for shorts on the euro. Now let's have a look at where I could put my stop losses at here on the euro. This is the thing. There's no bloody. We have this is my entire point of interest here in this market, right there. But because there is no high where I could put my stop losses here, I need that market structure shift, mild pullback, right? So I can put my stop losses this high. All right, so that's a very nice move on the euro. Let's continue to monitor the DXY. You know what? Let's not get our panties in a bunch, because I mean, we need, in fact, that market structure shift here too for us to be able to place a long. Very nice. Very, very nice. Hold on. Here is that OB with hold on. OB with the imbalance. So this is my entire point of interest on the euro, on the DXY, is the US dollar. There you go. So pretty much formulating a long idea here, right? Not trading the Japanese yen, and looking for possible shorts here on the Euro USD. Now, 1-minute chart on the Euro USD, we do have that market structure shift. Kinda, right? Kinda. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to jump blindly. I'm going to eat something. This is just Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and honey. Nice. That's all your buddy needs. All right, no shorts here on gold yet. Now, what I could see gold doing. Remember, we are looking at this liquidation. So, liquidation of these highs. So that doesn't mean, you need to understand this as a swipe or a strip on buy side or sell side liquidity does not by any means mean that the market is going to reverse at all, right? What I'm looking at here is a possible market structure shift right there. So if this is in fact the last sweep of the highs, mates, then I could see a change in the character in this market on a break of this imbalance. So here's the displacement I will look for. Again, this is just following price action, right? Just following price action. A displacement here. This is the displacement level that I will look for. in order for me to start, in fact, looking at those, shorts in gold, not now, right? So that's the idea. Very nice short here on the Euro USD. Big ass imbalance here. Now, why haven't I entered short yet? Because that was way too aggressive. Now, and I mean, now that I see it, everybody's a fucking hindsight hero, right? Now that you see it right here, of course, it's obvious, right? But I'm going to use this particular imbalance as my entry, so I'm going to enter short about now. Create new order. Oh boy. You know what? I need to go off chart because I need to connect to trade of 8. But I'll be back. Hold on. Where are you? And I am so sorry. All right. Here we go. So, if I were to go short here, let's see how many contracts. Going short here, I'm gonna go half my normal risk, 0.795, 0.795, and it's set at market, right? So that's how many? If I go 3 contracts short right now, that's cool. All right, I'm gonna go short 4 contracts, $250 short 4 contracts now, and here also 4 contracts, so that's 8 for 40. No, that's 5, 32 on the 6 EU. 1 minute chart. All right, I'm going to go short here.
Order filled.
2 contracts. Another 2 contracts.
Order filled.
And 32. All right. All of this buy stop. All right. Okay. So pretty mild risk on this one. Jesus. All right. Buy stop. All right. Still waiting for this as the displacement level, mates, on the yeah, this is possibly going to I mean, it is what it is. It's only $250 stop loss. Now, this is very cool. Just look at this spike high on gold right here. So if we get a very, very big move to the downside, in the sense that if we get a volatile move to the downside, we might in fact be able to get in short on a pullback. No, that's the dream. All right, so here is my trade on the euro first trade of the day. Let's see about that. Now, hunting gold shorts. Now, this is going to be nice. Remember that, I mean, normally these aggressive trades, I only show you here. I mean, full transparency, guys, I'm trading this on a full transparency base. Yeah, sometimes I'm not going to send my trade as a signal, but because, I mean, this just happens too fast. This is just a little bit too aggressive. If I send a signal, sell at market now, Euro USD, people might see it just, 10 minutes later, and they might sell at a very, very different level where this setup is no longer valid. So, but this possible gold short is in fact a good opportunity that we are going to definitely watch. All right. So, on the F1 strategy, well, there's nothing today F1 strategy wise. Well, you know what? There was an Ethereum short opportunity that just hit targets. I always forget to look for these opportunities in Ethereum at the Open. I mean, at the Asian Open. This was perfect. This was a perfect strategy. You know what? I'm going to just tag it to watch it later. Same thing here on Bitcoin. Shit, that was nice. Your cat, yeah, I mean, your cat could be in fact a very nice short if we get that divergence. Let's see about that Euro USD short back in action right now. We are even on that trade again. Let's see about those shorts. I need to put the 6E here on my depth of my DOM, because I exit here at market, what quantity, for example, here if I want to close half of it, etc. All right, this is a good, all right, this is a 3-minute chart on the DXY. Just have a look at this. We might have been a little bit too early. Let's see about this possible displacement on the US dollar, right? If this displacement in fact takes place, I'm gonna be pretty happy about my Euro USD short. Sell side liquidity, I reckon. Yo, all right. And yeah, I mean, gold is super strong, right? No trades sent just yet on the VIP group. You like my cup? Very girly, very girly, a girly. So what's up? Hey, I have a code, a discount code for you guys. I know. Sad. Amazing. Love access. Love access. Love access. Push it. Let's do it. All right, so yeah, a little bit of chat. All right, so let's have a look about the oof. Yeah, possibly we'll get stopped out here short on the Euro USD, which is fine. It's only a half risk. It's only a half risk. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna stay here because this short on gold, though. So this is what I'm looking for here, right? Let's have a look at this. There is, all right, there is no divergence at the moment between gold and, the DXY, which would, be, in fact, be very cool if there was, well, so this is what I'm looking at, right? Should this be the high of the move? Hold on. How do you use this? There was something called Phantom. I think this is it, right? So if we can get, what the hell? I don't know. Guys, I forgot about that. Ghost feed, this. So if we can get something like this, right? Big, move to the upside, then a push back towards this level or so, then here would be a beautiful setup short, right? Now, this is a massive, this would be a massive breaker. I guess I should start using, using it because many things I can, I will be found. Stopped out.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Stop field. Stop field. All right, so I stopped out for 225. So that's less than my normal R. London Open. Maybe. So I got stopped out. Damn it. That's okay, guys. That is fucking okay. Now, moving on from the euro. I mean, I'm telling you, this is just you know this is just fine, right? So this is why I don't send this kind of setups to the VIPs. Now, these are aggressive setups, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for the same fucking thing here. I'm going to wait for the displacement, right? Remember, my entry model is works the best at the New York Open, but it's the same thing, right? Now, looking for Euro USD shorts right here on this possible displacement. Now, gold shorts are going to look phenomenal. This is an A plus and will be an A plus setup on gold. Now, what we need is, in fact, that double whammy. In fact, and when I say double whammy, what we need is, I mean, we got that liquidation of the 50-minute highs. Remember, we need the liquidation of those, or the sweep of that 15-minute highs, of that 15-minute box, right? That does not say that we are going to be reversing. Of course not. We need to wait for the displacement action. That's kind of, not kind of, right? But we need a break off the last low that created the last liquidation, or the last high. So in fact, what we need to do here is wait for the break of this lows, and then we can find, we can look for those possible shorts. Same thing here on the Euro USD. Now, I took this short very aggressively. Normally, that is how I would take it on the US Open. That's also why I just took half my normal risk on this Euro short, and in fact, it came up as less than my normal risk. It's only 225, $225 loss. But really, I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here until we get this. Until either two of the next things happen. Either we get a displacement below the lows, and we can in fact look for those shorts in gold towards this liquidity target, and this will be the same setup that I did not trade yesterday that yield about 3.4 R. Yeah, I know. And this could in fact be. Where are you? What I need is. What is it? I need a short position. I can't find it. Where are the short positions here? Here, short. So this could in fact be a, if this plays out, this could in fact be a 5R. So pretty, I am very, very eager to see if this works. Same thing here on the Euro USD side. Now, on the Euro USD side, let's go to a 5 minute to find that targets. Yeah, the targets would be this box, right? But I'm going to delete this. Targets would eventually have to be here, not the box, but here, this equal lows right here. So, you know, after that displacement happens, we should be, in fact, looking for that sell side liquidity, yielding about I mean, this will be less than gold's risk to reward ratio, but still a very good 3R or so. So these two are my my possible setup short for now. Now I am going to focus on gold, my friends, because this is looking phenomenal. Moving to the 3-minute chart right now. On both actually. Focusing on gold. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to go here, GC Q4. Let's see about that risk. Should we get a move back towards the 25,350? Create new order. I'm just calculating risk, guys. Just calculating risk at the moment. Not placing a trade. My stop losses on futures would be 23.54.5 on a sell limit. 23.54.5 for 5. Yeah, that's one contract. I'm gonna write one contract short, possibly. Actually, I'm gonna have to use micro contracts, mates. MGC. So moving here from GC to MGC, micro futures. MGC. MGC Q4. MGC Q4. There you go. Now on micros, my friends, it's the same setup. I mean, I think I don't need to. You know what? I'm gonna do this because I really don't want to draw everything again. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to place the micros right here. So micro contracts on futures, a 3. If we get a pullback towards this low, 23 should be about 23.51 or so. I'm just calculating risk again, guys. 23.54.5 sell. Stop loss 23.54.5. So about a yeah, about 15 micros. 15 micros is what it is. So 15 micros is the amount of contracts that I am going to trade short here, gold on a possible displacement, right? So that being said, I need to be extremely focused here because as you notice, futures pricing and CFD pricing or forex pricing is not the same. Come on, if this 3-minute candle pushes down, leaving this imbalance, this is where I'm going to get involved short, and that, my friends, is what I'm talking about. So, not looking at the euro anymore. Come on, we need that push below these lows. Remember, here's that displacement level. There you go. And yeah, it'll be about 15 contracts. So yeah, I need to use my calculator for this. All right, so yeah, just waiting for this, and yeah, I need to calculate. So that's a 15. For fuck's sakes. So 15 contracts times 8 accounts, 120 micros. I'm going to be trading here. 120 micros. All right. And our recent custom. Where is the 3-minute chart? There you go. There you go. Now I'm all set to take or to place that possible entry on a displacement heads up. Right now, I am going to heads up the VIPs too. USD. Same on a same. All right, almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. GC micro. There you go. We are displaced. I'm going to go ahead and place those 15 contract short sell limit. 54.5. That'll be my full risk. 23.54.5. 23.54.5. A little bit than $500. And targeting, of course, this lows 23.36.5. 23.36.5. All right. So MGC. It's a what? Q. Before I do this, I am going to place this sell limit order, 15 contracts, and buy stop. All right, 23.50.80, 23.50.80. All right, there we go. MGC Q4, I think. Yeah, MGC Q4. Q4, gold micros, sell limit at, I'm just sending I am just sending the TP. 0.5. No, risk 500 bucks. All right, so I just sent this sell limit, and I'm gonna place this here, but I don't know where. So on the 5-minute chart, this is what I have to do to be able to send this to the VIPs. On the 5-minute chart, oof, on the 5-minute chart looks a little sketchy, my entry, but we will see. On the 5-minute chart, I'm gonna enter here, 23.41.40, sell limit, 23.41.40, and 23.46 will be my stop loss. This is what I have to do in order for you to get the good 20, what I said, 23.46. I guess, yeah, that's fine, 230. So I need to up this by 230, but it's going to be 1.2. And targets, hold on, here, 227, 23.27.50. Boom, there we go. So, let's see about that risk. Shit. Oh, I deleted the wrong one. Well, yeah, so that's a what? 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. You see why sometimes, not sometimes, but I can't send, aggressive entries just for my live show. All right, stop loss. Hopefully we'll get filled on in this one. It's a pretty standard TP, pretty standard setup. 3R. Risk is 0.50%. There you fucking go. All right, free VIP trade. There you go. Now, let's see about that fill. Short, you know what? I'm gonna lower my entry here, guys, to I'm gonna wait because on the 5-minute chart, this is the imbalance on the 5-minute chart, right? But we shall see about that. I'm still trading below equilibrium, so I guess I'll get. I guess we are going to see a push lower before the pullback. Hey, Ruan, my man Ruan. If you don't know who the fuck Ruan is, he's the man. He's a very good trader. What do you think about this short, man? Come on. You know I dig your opinion. Yeah, targets could be, in fact, be all the way down to the 23.32, but I really dig it. So, Rowan, what I'm looking at here is this. Just have a look on this is gold futures, right? On the 15-minute chart, yeah, buy side liquidity sweep, right? And then I was just waiting for that, that displacement, and yeah, looking to enter around here. All right, my Instagram. Don't tell me you're looking for longs. I'm gonna ban you. No, I'm just fucking with you. So, on the 4-hour chart. So you're looking for a higher price to enter here. 30-minute. Yeah, I'm looking for. Yeah, this is very good. So what he's looking at. Can I share it? Hold on. I'm gonna wait for him to answer because it's his setup, not mine. 5 minute chart. Yeah, I'm good. 25, 23.55, 23.55. 20, no, 23.55. Yes, please do. All right, so this guy is pretty good at trading. So you might want to fucking hear what he has to say. Now, he's looking at this as the accumulation part of the move. He's looking at the 4 hour chart right here. This is the accumulation part of the move. And, that liquidity has been swept, this one. That one. And he's looking for entries on the manipulation, which is right here. Here is where he is looking for his entry or so. So higher, right? He's looking to short the market around 23.67. It's a good trade idea. Myself, I'm looking for that possible short move before that move higher, perhaps. I don't know. Let's wait and see what happens. 23.55. I should, in fact, move my stop losses in GC to 23.55. Here, about to get trigger short here. And here I'm going to go ahead and use only 13 contracts. This is a 150K account, so yeah, I'm using only 13 contracts. Oh man, that's a big ass B. Oh boy, what the fuck is that? Hold on, I'm going off camera. I need to kill a bug. Kill a fucking bug. All right, the bug has been killed. All right, so if I don't get filled, I'm gonna be fucking pissed again. Very possibly will be, all right, so on the 1 minute chart here, possibly will be a little bit higher. All right, I got filled gold XAU USD.
Order filled.
Oh, filled. All right. Let's see about this gold short, mates. 13 contracts here and 15 contracts short here. All right, so simple. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, cool. All right, let's see about that. Pam, pam, pam. I'm really liking this setup, mates. I don't know about you. I love it. This coffee is cold. Oh, my stop loss is 23.55. 23.55. How is going with your funded account challenge? Well, it's going fine, mate. I'm gonna show you. Yesterday I had the first red day. Today I'm down a little bit, not too much, but custom range. Let's show you guys. I'm no June the 1st. I'm up $4,300, so this is my equity curve. So I'm about 25% of the way there, mate. And then, oh boy. Yeah, 25% of the way there, and apparently it's not going to be my day. I mean, who knows? I'm sticking with my guns, you know. I'm sticking with my guns. It's okay to have down days. It's okay to lose trades. Not every single one of your trades is going to win. Also, don't take rational, cheers. So let's, not every single trade is going to, we are short now. You know what, I'm going to invite everybody. Even if my trade's on a drawdown, I guess we are going to make. Bullish momentum. Let's see. Yeah, I know. I know about the bullish momentum, but you know what? I'm gonna show you. I'm looking from below the 30-minute supply zone. That's my point of interest. Very clean supply zone. Yeah, I saw that. But again, I understand. This is. I don't know. This. All right. Let's go back. Let's go back to love. Here to the 50-minute. I mean, if I get stopped out, yeah, you're probably right. Probably I was a little bit too eager. Pretty bullish momentum, but again, same thing as yesterday, guys. Yesterday, yes, this is, I don't know. We'll see about that. If I get stopped out, I'm going to look short for shorts higher. That's okay. That's okay. But this is the exact model that I trade at the New York Open. Chinga tu madre. If I get stopped out, I'm going to go to bed, and I will be back for the New York Open. To trade the same fucking thing. Same entry model. So, let's have a look. But go back to the 50 million and see the liquidity sweep of that triangle and the market structure sweep right after. All right. You shot me now, mambo. So this, yeah, I mean, I understand. I understand. And you're probably right at this point, mate. You're definitely right at this point. But, yeah, I don't see the market structure shift after this, right? So you're talking about this triangle, right? This liquidity sweep. To be honest, I don't see the market structure shift, right? I just don't. But you know what? You're probably right. Sell side liquidity sweep, where? Here? Today, right? We're talking about today. So 24th, Wednesday the 3rd. So the sweep should be this. I mean, if you're looking at this as the sweep and this as the shift in structure, yeah, perhaps. Very likely. Oh. I'm super hot. Now, yesterday. All right, so yesterday, let's see. It's tough, man. Well, yesterday I had a long, I think I see where. I didn't get filled yesterday on that sweep. Yeah, I know what you mean by yesterday. Yeah, probably I'm shorting a very strong bullish market, mate. You are probably right. But still, I have to follow my model. And this is the model that I've traded for a long time. I'm going to show you yesterday. Yesterday was the same thing. I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart. So yesterday was what? The 12th, the 2nd, yes. So yesterday I was looking at this, right? We were on a very bearish market, and then we swept with these lows. I had some buy limits lower that I didn't get filled on. And then, boom, 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 boom. I missed this short, mate. I missed this short, I guess, here. I guess this is the place where I missed it. But it was the same thing. Shorting or going long on a very strong bearish market, it really doesn't matter. So I got stopped out, apparently. Not yet. Not yet. I will get stopped out now. Yeah, I don't understand. Yeah, we should be in a call, man. Because I don't get it.
Stop filled.
All right, stop filled. I am done for the London session. We'll be back for the New York session down 1 hour. Can you send me to Instagram what you mean by that, please? I would love to see that. So I'm gonna be back for the New York Open, and just a quick look at the euro. Yeah, please send me on Insta. Please send me on Insta. Or you're talking about what I'm calling displacement. Well, you know what? Send me on Insta. Maybe I was a little bit too early. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to stick around. I am going to stick around a little bit just to see if we can get that short again. Yeah, sure, Victor. Sure, man. He already gave me permission to do so, so I will. Very nice here. Well, let's see. All right, he sent it. That was my exact fucking setup yesterday, mate. I mean, yeah, that was my setup yesterday, Juan. Yeah, I agree with you. Now I see it. Yeah, bad. Now I see it. You are completely and fucking utterly right. So Juan is talking about the trade I did not take yesterday on gold, which was this one. This one right here. This exact fucking trade is the one that I didn't take yesterday. I opted for the S&P 500, right? So this is the exact one that he took. And yeah, but I'm still looking for shorts in gold, and I will be looking for shorts in gold at the New York Open. And yeah, in hindsight, I should have taken this gold trade, and this is just self-inflicted pain. Man. Yeah. So what Ron is talking about is this. I shared with you yesterday on my show again. Same thing, strip on liquidity. This is a very nice uh, price failure candle on the 3 minute chart, right? He's looking at the, I don't know what this is, the 1 minute chart. So he's looking at the 1 minute chart, right? What? So he's looking at the 1 minute chart again, same thing. I was looking at this exact same setup at the break of the structure here. Now this was a nice break of the structure to the upside after the sweep of this liquidity low. My entry was here at this fair value gap, right, with the order block, etc. But I was looking at the 3 minute chart. So basically, this was my entry wasn't here. I'm sorry. My entry yesterday was here. What? Oh man, the batteries on my mouse died. All right. So my entry yesterday, and I was targeting this liquidity highs exactly here. My entry was these point of interest, this entire zone. Here, that was my point of interest. I would have gotten triggered, etc. So same thing. We saw the same setup plan. Beautiful, nice. Congratulations that you took it. I sadly did not, and it is a shame. So going back to bed, it's 2 a.m. here. I'm going to wait on my side a little bit on this gold trade. You know, just to see if we get a displacement below this low. If we do get this, I will take it again. You know, same thing, same thing. If we don't, then I am not. All right, so cheers, guys. I will be back. Yeah, you know what? I'll write to you on Instagram, mate. Okay? Cheers, guys. My mouse died. I don't know how I'm going to turn off the show.